it's your girl Savvy Young coming back at you yet again with another video. Welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. If you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you can get alerts on when I drop new videos. So if you guys watched my last video, then you know that we did an at-home waxing. At least we tried to. Anyways. So we're gonna keep it going with our quarantine vibes, at-home style, with a at-home laser hair removal. So we're just gonna get right into this video. So usually when you wax and you get laser hair removal, it's never supposed to be in the same day. So I just waited a couple days before I decided to do this video. This is the box that it comes in. It comes with a razor, these protection goggles, and it comes with the laser machine and the cord that you plug into the wall. So okay you guys, so I shaved, so I'm gonna turn it on. You hold it for 3 seconds and then you click it to the level that you want it to be at depending on your skin. So you go 1, 2, I always put it at 3. So then you take it and you just start. So we'll start with this layer. So I've been pressing the button, but if you wanted to do auto is really good when you're like working on big areas like the legs, so you won't have to keep pressing the button. You just hold this button and then auto will pop up on here and then you just start. The only thing about auto is you have to pick it up off your skin and like place it back down there. If you're pressing the button, then you can just drag it and keep pressing the button while it's on your skin. So I'm just gonna take it off of auto. Well, for now, that wraps up this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.